In this lesson, we're going to be looking at how we can update some data in our database. So we've got over here ID number 13 has tester. So let's update that to say something else. So we're going to just reuse that same query string again. So query variable and set it to update. And of course, we need to specify where we want to update, which table we want to update, and then the values that we want to update. So we want to set, so maybe we'll pick a couple columns. We're going to update the contact and we're going to update the size. So let's set contact and equal it to, so I had a double quote there, so I had accidentally deleted that. So let's update it to Jim Brown. So the contact is going to get updated, and if this is all I want to update, I could leave it as that. If I want to update more than one column, we can do the same thing that we did already over here, where we had updated. Well, we don't have that. So we can just comma separate it out. So I can just copy this over and comma separate it out. And maybe I'll just add these in as well so it looks the same. So here I'm going to update it to 99. And now we just, so what are we still missing? We need to still specify what we want to update. So we haven't specified which row and which data in particular is going to get updated. So this is where we need to add in that ID. So let's pop over to here and we can see ID equals 13. So that's the one that we want to update. So where ID equals 13, and this is going to be the same thing, and I just need to set updated. And that's it. So let's go back out and refresh it and see what happens. So updated, refresh, so pay attention to number 13 there. And when I refresh it, we get that new size and the new contact information. So it's as easy as that to update and update it within your PHP code. And just like the procedural examples, there's quite a bit you can play around with, and you can get some more query strings here within phpMyAdmin. So whatever you're doing in here, it usually writes out that query string if it's successful. So especially with the search, this is really an easy way to get all of this available values. So maybe if I want to do something where it's just greater than 100 or something like that, and I want to make a selection, I can really easily write out these query strings using phpMyAdmin.